2021 was a huge year for the LTK Creator Shop. There was a feature almost every single month. And now starting in 2022 is our most exciting feature yet. It's LTK Collections. Now at the top of your LTK Creator Shop, you can have a collection. That's a group of LTKs that are pinned to the top of your shop. So think about things that you could pin, like maybe it's everything you wore on vacation, or your child's nursery, or the things you want for Valentine's Day, or all of your hair tutorials. The ideas are endless, and you can group those different LTKs all together, all there at the top of your shop for easy access for your followers. One of my favorite parts is that each of those collections has one single link. So whenever I'm talking about my vacation to Mexico and I'm showing the different outfits and what I wore, each time I just say, hey, you can check out every single thing I wore and used when I was in Cabo in this one single collection, and here is the link. Go check it out. It's live now, our first big product of 2022.